Oh, hey all, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. Have you tried these new Bumble Bee Snack on the Run meals? They don't need to be refrigerated, which means you can toss them in your lunchbox, toss them in your briefcase, keep some at your desk at work, or even toss them in the car when you want to take a road trip so you don't have to stop for a meal. They include everything you need. They have the crackers in here, they have a can of chicken in here, and they even include a little spoon to spoon it out onto the crackers. Well, let me open up the box, show you the chicken, and give you my opinion on how it tastes. Come on. On the back of the box, you'll see that this is definitely a low calorie meal. And inside, you get 6 crackers sealed in foil to keep them fresh. You get a can of barbecue chicken and a small spoon or paddle for easily spreading. The barbecue flavor is classic. It's not too sweet, not too tangy, but there is a hint of barbecue smoke. And while it might be hard to tell on the video, there are real chunks of chicken in the mix. Now, if you want a convenient, shelf-stable meal to take on the go, this is a great option. Thanks for watching.